Hey there, this is Philip Nodlinger, KA4KOE, with another episode of Electromagnetic Mischief. Tonight I'm going to show you my Collins 30L-1, which I've had for a few years. I got it in trade, and this has got the winged flag company symbol badge on the front, which means this was manufactured, if my memory is correct, from 1961 to 1963. So this amp is at least as old as I am. You can see the new 811As. These are penta tubes, which I've been told are of the ones that you can buy. These are the best ones that come out of China, and that's from what I've been told by Tom Roush. So anyway, what I've done so far is there were some mods to this to make it more reliable, and also to protect it if the tubes arc from grid to the plate or the anode, and also some new grid resistors, new grid bypass resistors. We've got some gas discharge tubes. You can see these going from the filaments to ground, and also one up here going from the grid common to ground. If the tubes arc, these are supposed to shunt the surge current to ground and not destroy as much stuff. I mean, nothing's foolproof in the grand scheme of things when you get 2,000 volts finding a path to ground. You know, things exciting are going to happen. And also, as part of this kit, you can see down here, maybe, we put some diodes across the meter, which is also meant to protect it in case of an arc fault. And this is the Harbach rectifier and filter board, which I've had in there for several years. So that's a little bit of the work I've done to this. I need a new tube socket. This tube socket had a busted pin, and it's was repaired, but I don't trust it. And since this is the grid pin, if you lose grid bias on a triode tube, the sucker's going to run away and self-destruct. So that's not good. So we're going to have to replace this tube socket completely, because you cannot get replacement pins. So you just have to replace the whole thing here. And that's just a part and parcel of doing work like this. We're just trying to remove some solder and clip away some leads where I put the pliers in the wrong, the dikes in the wrong place, and snip this pin in half. A little bit of cursing and move on. So I just wanted to show you my nice little amp. Y'all have a good day, 73, and we'll talk to you later. This is KA4KOE, Philip Nodlinger, signing off for now. Bye-bye.